What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, I'm in LA right now, actually in Long Beach. We are at the ISSE Hair Expo. It is Monday now. If you guys are watching this, we just finished up. I'm packed up, about to head home. So you guys stay tuned. Thursday, I'm gonna have it done. Thursday, I'm gonna have a recap of the Expo, and you guys wait and see. I got some custom babeless clippers made. So guys, make sure you check out that video Thursday. You know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. We got plenty of content coming. And hit me a thumbs up, guys. Let's get to the video. What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. This video is going to be tough, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is my homie Marcus. It's going to be a different cut, kind of a difficult one, but I hope you guys like it. We're going to go in first off with a 6 with the grain. I know this is interesting. You know, a white guy with waves. He don't really wear it with waves. But every time we cut it in a traditional way, he doesn't really like the length. So we did a 6 on top with the grain, and now we're doing a 4 on the parietal ridge with the grain, and now a 5 on the sides against the grain. So starting with a 5, and that's the way that we cut the top down, and now the sides will be a 5 and prepare us for our low fade. All right, so we're gonna set our ball guideline, and guys, this is gonna be a super low fade. We want to leave a lot of shape up there. He doesn't like when his head gets too skinny, so that's why we left it so long, and we're gonna do this fade super low. So we're gonna do our ball guideline at his natural hairline around the ear, and then drop it down in the middle or lower C cup, and then take it real low around the back. So you guys can see the shape that we're creating, and that'll help us maintain that shape as we do the fade. All right, so we balled it out with our trimmer. Now we're gonna come in with our shaver underneath and get it all the way down to skin. Alright, so we're going to start with our open section. If you guys pay attention, we're going to do this really small. And again, we're trying to make this a real low fade. So we're going to keep this section real short, more like a 1/2 inch. If you guys really pay attention to my clipper stroke there, some guys call it a C stroke. 360 Jeezy calls it a flick out motion. I think I just saw Bazio's video talking about he doesn't like to call it a C stroke because we don't want to exaggerate it too much. But if you guys can see the way that I tilt that clipper out as I come into the weight above it, that's so we don't create such a harsh guideline. And if you do that with every clipper, every guard, that'll just help you on your blend. So, of course, guys, here we're going in with a slim line. We started taking that line out, and now we'll come in with our clipper close above that and work the rest of this section. Now we're going in with our 1 guard open, and again, guys, a real short section. You guys are going to start to see why I said this is one of my hardest haircuts. And the end result, it's going to turn out great, but you guys are going to see as I go, he's got some super dark areas and some super light areas. So you guys can see as I start to blend this line out, you can see right there at the back of this section, or this side of the head, that spot I'm at right now, you can see that's really dark. And you guys can see there's an indentation right there where I'm at right now that's going to stay dark. So that's the reason I said this is one of my hardest haircuts. And guys, like you see, we're going to do the same steps. It's just going to take a lot more polishing and detailing. You can see now we're in with our 1/2 guard. We're going to clean it up, but you guys will see once we do our next step, I'm going to have to come back through this area and clean it up again, because it's just going to have all kinds of dark spots. So you guys just keep working it, follow your steps, try to stay within your guidelines. It'll come out. Alright guys, we're going to go in with the 2 closed. And unlike most of my normal videos where I use the 2 and kind of blend in, like I said, I'm wanting to maintain the shape here so much and the length on top. So we're actually going to make another guideline with our 2, like you guys can see. And then we'll use our 1.5 right now to take that out. Like I said before guys, you can see there's a lot left behind that the 1.5 isn't getting out, and that's exactly what I was explaining. Man, look, now that I turned this head, you guys can really see it's really dark right there where I'm at, and then that back area is still pretty dark. So you guys just got to keep working at it, work your way down. You can finish all the steps and then work your way down, or you can do it within each section as you go. You know, a haircut like this is a real low fade on some difficult texture. This is going to take me a long time. Like I said, I don't do this often on him. This is kind of a haircut I try on him almost once a year probably. I don't get to cut him very often. Kind of shows me where I'm at. So that's honestly what this was kind of to test myself and see if I could do better than the last time I did this haircut on him. So guys, that was a 4 guard. Like I said, we did an extra step. We have a 5 to begin with, so that's a 4, and now we're using a 3 to take the rest of this dark out that's connecting to the top. Guys, it's basically just process of elimination. So you go after it with, you know, we were at a 3, we still see some dark. We'll grab our 2 and go after that dark spot. Then if that doesn't get it, we'll go back to the 1.5 and work through it again. Now we're back to the 1, and I'm just working my way back down and polishing this fade out. We're going to give them an edge up here, guys. I combed all the hair down. Like I said, it's kind of long up there at the front, so that's actually like a 5 or 6 guard at the front. So I had to brush that hair past the hairline and then edge it up real sharp. Alright, we're going to time lapse this side, guys. Real quick, I wanted to say, if you guys check out my new overlay down in the bottom corner, that is my new website for the color enhancement cards. Thought I'd switch it up since that's kind of my thing going right now. Put that in the corner for you guys. Get a lot of questions about where can I get them at. Of course, I'm trying to make it easy as possible. So, guys, Seancutshair.com. Grab you a color card if you haven't yet. If you don't know what they are, check out my Instagram or check out some of my other videos. And I will use one here in a little bit at the end of this video. But guys, let me tell you, I'm overwhelmed at how many color cards have sold. I kind of opened the store up on Monday last week, and they sold like crazy. So I've just now got them shipped out. If you guys haven't grabbed one yet, please go grab one. I appreciate it big time. I promise you guys will love it if you do color enhancement. It's a game changer, and man, I'm overwhelmed. And one other note with that being said, guys, it is just me. I remember hearing Bazio say this many times. This isn't a big corporation. It's not a 15-member team. It's just me, guys. I'm literally editing my video right now, and there's a table to my right that has a printer and some labels and some envelopes, and I come home from work every day and pack those cards, take them to the post office in the morning. So I'm the one answering emails. I'm the one working the website. You know, I'm doing it all myself. So I appreciate you guys being patient throughout the process of getting those in stock. And again, I appreciate everybody that bought one. If you don't have one yet, check out Seancutshair.com. Guys, I promise you'll love it. And I want you guys to see again here, guys, on this back, the back of the head's always harder, but man, you're gonna see me work at this for a good minute, and that's kind of why I said this is one of the harder cuts. When you get dark textured hair like this with some indentions and you try to do a fade on it, sometimes it's tricky, so you just have to keep working those spots. Honestly, that's one of the reasons why I started getting a taper instead of a bald fade. My guy Marcus right here, he kind of stopped getting a bald fade again. I said I do it about once a year just to see how good I've gotten compared to the last, but honestly, he doesn't get bald fades very often because of how difficult his hair is to blend. And we'll go in here and do his last edge up. and then we're gonna go in and throw in a little surprise design. I talked him into it the last second, and you guys leave me a comment below and let me know what you think after this design's in here. Let me know if you think this thing pops. His fringe, guys, we're just trying to clean it up a little bit. He asked me not to cut a whole lot off, and it's curling up out of the way, so I just wet it down, comb it down in the front, take a little bit off. Alright, we're going to go in and do this X part. Guys, I tried to X part before on JT, but his fade wasn't quite low enough. It didn't turn out how I wanted, but we're going to do it again on Marcus. He was down to let me try something. So, guys, you just want to go in little by little and make the one end of this design thicker. You guys will see me turn to funny angles to get up in there and get that corner sharp. So we want to blow out the corner, but not the front edge of this design. And then I just find another spot to cross that and add a second notch in there and make it into an X part. And we'll go in with a little color enhancement. You guys can see this thing. It's gonna end up crazy. So. Throw a little Tomb 45 indestructible clay in there. You guys know that's my favorite product. And again, guys, you see as I scrunch this in his hair, it's just going to curl up, give it that natural curl. And that's how he likes to wear it, just kind of a textured natural curl. And interesting enough, the way that we cut it with the grain, with the curl of his hair, it kind of leaves him with a choppy, inconsistent, curly top. So, guys, here's the color card. If you didn't know what it was, as you guys can see, it has multiple angles to help you spray every part of your lineup or design. We're going to use the straight edges for the flat parts, the inside 90 for that bottom corner on the C cup, and then the curve for the C cup, and it'll help you get consistent lines every time. I promise you guys love it. Those of you who have it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, especially if you got the new one. Let me know you got it, and let me know what you think of it. So there you go, guys. There's the finished cut. Man, I'm stoked with this haircut. I think it turned out so dope. Marcus was tripping when we got done. I about left his reaction in there, but guys, if you like the cut, smash that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe. You guys know I got some more heat coming, and we'll see you guys next time. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.